village. Pfutsero me.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the process of plum harvesting. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Right now, I'm on my way to my uncle's farm. They have already reached, they called me up. They're actually picking up some fruits today since they have a buyer. So they've called me up to come and record. It's just like around 10 to 15 minutes from my place. It's just behind that house. Can you see the tin? The garden is just behind it. So we're almost reaching. Take a left turn. The camera might be a little shaky, so sorry about that. Left turn. Finally, we have reached the farm. That's my nephew. Aja, mami choma ya? Choma mala?
Choma.
Choma mala mami. Hello, Jule.
Hello.
Hello, no no choma mi. Đi chơi rồi dân kinh nghiệm vậy. That's my cousin brother. That's my uncle. The plum rồi there right there.
Ha.
Plum rồi there. Wow. Hey. That's my cousin sister and my two nieces.
Mami.
Don't tell mommy other.
Please like, subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
My nephew wanted to try mukbang, so here we go, guys.
Hello. Hi. How?
Let the trolls up. Mama. Ba le chebe ban zi de. Ma no de. This is part. Acha. Guys, as you can see, the plums are not fully ripe yet, but the buyer is fine with it, so we are going ahead with the harvest. This is the most easiest way of harvesting plum. Spread any kind of shade on the ground and just shake the tree off. The plum looks so juicy. We are measuring the plum as per the bucket, and each bucket measures 10 kilograms. Ngô mày, camera mình chụp hình một lần. Đây à?
Yeah, good. Why? Whoa!
Whoa. Wow. Ngô mà gì?
Yuan tông một tí này.
Mấy gì ngồi là? chỉ liền mấy chứ ba? Ờ, tôi rồi về điện rồi. Chào là bye bye.
姐，这专门来是去了没？
We are almost completing today's requirement, which is 300 kilograms. 무슨 말이에요, 저한테? 아까 플럼 먹방 상이야. 플럼 또냐?
뭐 저렇게 저렇게.
And that will be the last bucket for the day. Da bro no. Ado say hi. To mà lên. Hả? Hi Shile. Shile. She is my sister-in-law. Tô mày.
Tô vậy xem.
Đúng rồi. Chalo, let's go home. Ra môi đi. Bye bye. Bye bye she. Bye. Bye bye she. Bye. Away. Bye bye. Môi đi dây đi. We still have one more work to do. We have to transfer all the plum near the road so that the buyer can come and pick them up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 300 kgs there. Pfutsero. Mua. Itu so. Mua so. Mua de. Bye bye. Mua de. And this is my share, thanks to my uncle and aunt.